Baltimore!
Big Master Reggie! I am not in loco! I'm the winner! Come on, battle girls, battle girls! Come on, come on!
Yeah! It's not Javante Davis! It's Larry Loco! So everybody on the cruise ship, they knocked the fuck out. But we wide awake. Wide the motherfucker awake and looking at the fucking pool. Everybody comatose. They done drunk all night long. Look at that. And we on this goddamn boat. With our pajamas on. Come on, let's take a picture.
You got food too.
Oh, damn, we can't eat for free, right? Is something open, I think?
Wait. Probably like a soccer stadium. Huh? This is how we do when we gotta walk the streets out here in France. We gotta walk the streets out here in France, yo. In France. Bonjour. Allez-vous?
Something to drink, wines, maybe, cocktails. It comes already with a sauce.
Okay.
With a yogurt sauce inside.
Okay.
Trick with it.
That's a cream chowder soup. This is for you, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
What's that, man? This is a soup spoon.
That's what happens when you come late.
Keep going. Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Bon appétit.
You look good. You look good.
Okay, all of us got one.
Wait.
You sound real professional.
Are you having fun? Huh?
Don't video.
Are you having fun, lady?
Don't video.
It looks so pretty.
Thank you.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am.
On my own time, because it ain't